So I'm here with the captain of the Kahana and to look at how he is going to repair his nets, which are spread out here. Explain where the problems are in the net.
Where are the problems?
Venise doi prieteni, am sunat să fotografi și întreba de tine, zic, doarme și te-am sunat. Dar n-ai răspuns.
No, actually, repair the net because it was broken by the storm.
By the storm.
We replaced the old net with the new one. So now we're sewing.
So which storm are you talking about? Not last year's storm.
No.
There's a storm
year's
recently.
Storm, like a few weeks ago was a storm and we did remove the net from the sea.
Okay.
It was like a rough storm and the net is broken and now we just replaced the piece is missing.
Big hole.
No, it's not big. This is small.
This is small
So
hole.
that was a big hole because we
Okay.
replaced all the things.
So a lot of fish
that is
could
the
escape.
new thing.
Oh, this is the new.
Yeah, the new
The
one.
brown.
This is the old one.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we have this kind of stuff. We must sew it.
Yeah.
Make it like entire piece.
This is new net. This is nylon, and this is what they're using to add on to the old net to repair it. So this is how they're doing it. I would have no idea how to start doing this. It's so interesting, the kind of knife, not the knife, the needle that is being used. So this is the chief cook at the Kahana, and he makes some great fish. I don't know what kind of fish that is, and I'm not quite sure how to ask what sort of fish that is in Romanian. But this guy used to captain the Kahana boat back in the day when I first started coming out here to Romania. And believe me, the fish is delicious. So I've just asked Octavian how many years this net has been in the sea. He said 14 years. 14 years. That.
We're still replacing the pieces from it.
Yeah. So some of this net is 14 years old. Incredible. You know, when you think about the hot and cold weather, summer and winter, and the storms. 14 years that this net has been going, serving its purpose to catch fish. The former captain. Everybody wants to help.
Mă, dar nu dă de la mine, mă, pula mea. Ce dracu? Nu dă de la mine.
Talibanii, da, că n-am nimic acum. Talibanii la mine nu.
I guess it's a very communal thing, you know. As a fisherman, you understand how difficult these things are, and you need expertise that will quickly repair the nets, and you need perhaps another opinion. And they're happy to help because it is a community here. Glorious day here in Stamaveke. Not a cloud in the sky. Look. Very hot day. Doing a little shake. What causes these holes to form? Is it fish? Is it rocks?
Rocks and like very big current with storm and stuff.
Yeah.
The net.
And how soon before all of this is repaired and back out in the sea?
I don't know, another day or two, depends how long we're gonna sit and replace the stuff.
Be able to open up this net and see where the holes are and then patch it up. Well, what kind of fish are you trying to catch? That's the thing.
Everything.
Everything.
What the sea provides.
Sharpening his knife.
Nu,
Captain.
eu vreau te așteaptă Coti pe acolo sau aia la altă. Ea nu mai învide. Bă!
Obviously, I have absolutely no idea what they're talking about. The captain is very, very animated. This is the captain.
N-avea curaj niciunul să zice, băi, tăiem și o trășim, știi? Da, era vorba de bucate de nou. Și era foarte, 6-7 metri. Era până la mare, și se face, lasă n-avea. Am și o idee. Zic, hai zi-o tu,
Covering up from the sun. Look at that.
Poate...
It's hot.
Păi zic, asta am vrut să zic și eu.
And I don't have even a shirt on my back. So the captain has said that it's going to be another 3 days or so before they can take the net out, but he doesn't want to take the net out when it's rough. So Bama hat. So he wants to drop the net when it's calm. In the little Bama gym.
Ia te bucură în față.